Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to Codeners channel for Change Better with me, with Saputra. And now we are trying to create a WordPress template using a simple step. So this is the first part of the creating a WordPress template for creating the theme folders and also what is the file that should be in the WordPress folders. So okay, let's go. Now I'm trying to open the Visual Studio Code and then trying to open the XMPP control panel, and let's open up the Explorer and then try to open the htdocs, then find the WordPress folders that we have installed before. Okay, if you see the screen like this, you just click yes, I trust the authors, and we are trying to go to the WP content, WP content, and then going to themes folders, and I'm trying to create a new one. So this is a classic part, or maybe simplify. Okay, I'll name the themes simplify, and now we have to create index.php and also the style.css. Okay, this is the main file that we have to place in the WordPress themes folder to make the template working properly. So now we want to go to the WordPress site. So localhost, then WordPress. Okay, let's waiting it to load, and then trying to open the web page admin, WP admin. I'm sorry, I'm almost forgot about that. Okay, for the name, I'm trying to use, or I'm forget it. Use Saputra, and then using this password. And if you see now, there's a tab reference here, and also there are a themes menu, and we see that there are simplify here the themes that we are created on the Visual Studio Code. So this theme still empty. Okay, now okay, there is a new themes called simplify from the others authors, so I have to rename this with simplify. Okay, to make it working properly. Okay, now it's working properly. If you see that this is still empty, so we have to name it. And if you want to create now, you can placing the name, or you can also placing the author's name and the description and versions. You can just using the style.css. How to do that? You can name it by giving a multi-line comment here, and then using the theme name, it's called simplify. Okay, and also the author's name, author videos Saputra, and then the descriptions here. This is just a simple themes, and for the versions, this is just version 1.0. Okay, now I'm trying to save that, and let's go back to the themes management here. So I'm trying to reload this. Okay, now when we see the themes details here, there's just a couple text that we have been created before. So this is for the versions, this is for the authors, and also this is for the descriptions of our template. Okay, Now, how to place a screenshot like this? Okay, it's very simple. Okay, now I'm trying to create a Figma, open up the Figma here, and maybe I'm trying to log in with the casual Google Chrome. Okay, Figma. Okay, now I'm trying to create a simple case. Okay, maybe this is a simple design here. This actually my student file, so I'm trying to open up the others file. So I'm trying to make new ones. So I can try to create a rectangle here or maybe a frame. So trying to make a frame desktop here, and I'm trying to create a simple text here. Simplify, not simplify. Okay, using K and trying to resize that. Okay, just placing it on the center. Okay, now I'm trying to make it bold. Okay, with a simple letter spacing. Okay, now I'm done with this. Okay, let's export this. Trying to export that. Just copy it and trying to open the XMPP, STDoc, WordPress, WP content, and then on the themes, simplify, and we can rename it as a screenshot, okay, .png. Okay, now if we see in our WordPress theme management, we can see the screenshot here. Okay, this is a very basic step to creating a WordPress template using the simple PHP and CSS. And in the next video, I'm trying to create a HTML part first for the template, for the designs, and we can create a simple design here. And we are also learn about looping in the WordPress. Okay, see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe, because in the portfolio series, I will try to upload every day. Okay, and hope this is useful for you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.